So, Yameena, here we have another question from our viewer who is saying, with an LMIA exempt T13 approved on May 31st, 2025, and no update on a spouse's open work permit application. So, how long will the processing take, and when can approval and the physical permit be expected?
So I really empathize with the situation that this person is in. They really want their spouse to come to Canada or to start working. The reality is, even though a T13 is processed very quickly, that doesn't mean necessarily the dependent statuses are approved as quickly. So if the spouse is inland, they could be looking at as long as 225 days. That's the processing time as of today for the spouse's dependent work permit to process. If the spouse is outside Canada, processing is going to depend a lot on exactly where the spouse is. There are countries where it will be processed in as little as 4 weeks. There are other countries where it could take a year. So it will depend a lot on the physical location of the spouse. The other thing I want to mention is that if the spouse was inside Canada when the application was made for the LMIA exempt work permit and they were working, they should presumably be in maintained status and they should be able to continue working while they wait for the new work permit.
All right. Thank you so much, Yameena, for your answer.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMMI support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMMI support.